Your family will love the spacious living area inside this 2019 Arctic Wolf 305 ML6 fifth wheel. Find this incredible model at Lakeshore RV Center. This 35-foot, 3-inch long fifth wheel maintains a stable temperature with the 15K air conditioner and 35K BTU furnace. There are enhanced fiberglass, high-gloss sidewalls, and a gel-coated fiberglass front cap. Near the front of the RV, you'll find pass-through storage, and there is an outside shower with both hot and cold water. Enter the living area and you'll enjoy the power theater seating, which has massage and heat features. There are also 2 tri-fold sleeper sofas and an entertainment center with a hutch and Bluetooth stereo. The kitchen has a freestanding table with chairs, as well as a pantry, double-door refrigerator, 3-burner range cooktop, and a sink with pull-out faucet. A skylight illuminates the master bathroom's radius shower with natural lighting. There's also the sink, linen closet, and foot flush toilet. The master bedroom has a wide wardrobe and a queen bed with a Comfort Power Master Lift system. Shop online at lakeshore-rv.com. With virtual tours, videos, and photo galleries, you're sure to find the perfect RV at the lowest price, guaranteed. Want a more personal touch? Call us at 231-760-8805, where our friendly and knowledgeable staff will help you get an amazing deal on the RV of your dreams.